Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring Drive is accessible to Alight Motion. Sign into the Google account on your phone and make sure Drive Sync is active. This lets files appear offline. Once done, open Alight Motion and grant storage and file permissions so the app can import media. Next, open the Google Drive app and locate the exact file you want to import, video, image, or audio, and prepare to export it to your device storage for faster import. Now move the media from Drive into Alight Motion. If the file is large, tap Drive's three-dot menu and choose Make Available Offline or Download to save it to Downloads. Otherwise, use Share Open with Alight Motion if available. Then open Alight Motion, go to Media, choose Import and pick Files, navigate to Downloads or the folder you save to. This ensures the app reads the file correctly. Make sure formats are supported like MP4, PNG, WAV. Finish by placing the imported clip on your timeline and arranging layers, trimming, or scaling as needed. This is where you shape the edit. Once satisfied, export using the target resolution and codec to preserve quality. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Confirm Alight Motion has storage and drive permissions, verify the file format is supported, and ensure your device has enough free space. Clearing cache or re-downloading, the file often resolves stubborn import errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.